There's the stray. And there's Drax, who goes nuts whenever the stray comes by. But then he sneaks out when I give the stray some sardines today. And the stray goes running. Oh, some interaction there. Wow. Stray leaped forward towards him. Usually they just chill and lie down. Hey, kitty. Hi, Drax. Drax, what you doing, buddy? I'm gonna move very carefully. Oops. Come get your sardines. Come on. Come on, kitty. Come on. You come by here every day. You're not afraid. Come on. You coming? What you doing? Hmm? Stash, when did you get out? Alright, what's going on? What you doing, Stash? Drax? Drax. Ooh. Ooh, he's moving in. He's moving in. Where'd you go, Stash? Stash went under the landing here. Come on. Come on. Not a very compelling video, but maybe. mustache is like, get me out of here, I want back in. He's coming after me. Oh, this one ran out. Salem. Alright, so there he is on the curbing. This guy's over here. Close up of some fig buds. This crazy fig tree. Jax, you want back in? Oh, there's Sauron. You guys don't like sardines, I know. That's why I gave it to the stray. Sardines in the water. You like? When you going back in so I can come eat my sardines? Hey, kitty. Hey. Drax. Come back out, Drax. Alright. Guess I'll go back in. He's waiting. Waiting for it to be all clear. So he can have his breakfast. Or she. I'm guessing it's a she, based on how our male cats go crazy over this visitor. You go inside the little cat house? Oh, Drax. Oh, Drax. You're so cute. You're so cute, buddy. Yeah. Bye, kitty. Bye-bye.